In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Framer. Duplicating a page is a really handy way to speed up your workflow, especially if you're working with layouts that you want to reuse or slightly tweak without rebuilding everything from scratch. Instead of recreating a design or a layout piece by piece, you can just copy an existing page, then update the content or styling as needed. Let's walk through exactly how to do that step by step. First, make sure you have your Framer project open and that you're in the canvas view where your pages are visible. On the left side of the screen, you should see the list of pages in your project. Find the page you want to duplicate. This could be a fully designed page, a template you've created, or even a simple starter layout that you plan to reuse. Once you've located that page in the list, move your cursor over its name. When you hover over it, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots appear next to the page title. This 3-dot icon is the More Options menu for that specific page. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. After clicking, a small drop-down menu will appear with different options related to that page. In this menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. This option might be grouped with other actions like Rename, Delete, or Move, but you want to focus on Duplicate. Click on Duplicate. As soon as you do this, Framer will create a copy of the page you selected. The new page will usually appear directly below the original in your page list, often with a similar name, plus something like copy or an incremental number. This duplicated page contains all of the frames, layers, components, and layout settings from the original page. From here, you can click on the duplicated page to open it on the canvas and start editing. This is where you can safely experiment, change text, swap images, update components, or adjust layout and interactions without affecting the original page. If you're building multiple versions of a design, like different landing pages or alternate screens, duplicating is a simple and reliable way to keep everything consistent while still exploring variations. And that's all there is to it. Hover over your page, click the 3 dots, choose Duplicate, and then customize your new page as